Bridging theory and practice, enhancing student comprehension of the classical wave equation by Abdu Yearwood A. Krishpersad Manohar, Bashir Khan, Sean Norton, Stephen Leo, Colin Quinton and Safroz Sharif. Aims Objectives: to develop an intuitive guide for enhanced students' understanding of the classical one-dimensional wave equation, bridging the gap between theoretical derivations and practical applications. The focus was on understanding wave propagation by modeling the elastic properties of a beam structure as a one-dimensional string. Background: the study mainly focused on innovative teaching techniques and the integration of theoretical and practical approaches can significantly contribute to improving students' understanding of mathematical theory and its applications in engineering, making it a valuable resource for educators and researchers in the field. Study design: the study employed foundational principles and theoretical derivations and extended into the application of Fourier series techniques to elucidate concepts not typically covered in engineering mathematical textbooks. Methodology: analytical and numerical methods were utilized to reinforce critical concepts, making abstract ideas tangible for students. Numerical analysis aids in understanding the theory by demonstrating the evolution of wave patterns, aligning with the analytical solution. Results: the comparison of analytical and numerical solutions revealed that different time step values, t, influence the numerical solution only by shifting the function, f, kiss smiley, in amplitude, but its shape and agreement with the analytical solution was maintained. Conclusion: this research showcased how innovative teaching techniques combining analytical and numerical methods can be used to enhance students' understanding of mathematical theory and its applications in engineering. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.